first question of this module. Pre-vocational education is now being envisaged as vocationalization of school education from classes 6 to correct answer is 8. Next, the national policy on education space promulgated that the introduction of systematic, well-planned, and rigorously implemented click here on red arrow programs of vocational education is crucial in the proposed educational reorganization. Correct answer of this question is 1986. Next, pre-vocational education will not only reduce the boundaries between the bookish knowledge and application of knowledge. Correct answer of this question is all. Competency is an space and measurable click here on red arrow knowledge and skill. Correct answer of this question is observable. Mahatma Gandhi 1937 insisted that manual and space work should find a space in examination. Correct answer of this question is productive. The Indian Education Commission, also known as Hunter Commission 1882, correct answer of this question is practical. Next, Ishwar Bhai Patel Committee 1977 described SUPW as a purposive, meaningful space work resulting in either goods or services. Correct answer of this question is manual. Work experience is also known as correct answer of this question is socially useful productive work. The employability skills module offered is part of the vocational curriculum from class 9 to 12th include communication skills, self-management skills. Correct answer of this question is entrepreneurship skill. Vocationalism of education is the provision for development of correct answer of this question is generic. We have completed 10 questions now submit and our score is 10 out of 10. Who is new on my channel, please subscribe so that you can find all solution of Mr. Module and other educational activities. Please share, like, subscribe.
नमस्कार सभी को। इस वीडियो में हम निष्ठा मॉड्यूल 18 अंडरस्टैंडिंग राइट्स चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ एंड द पोस्को एक्ट 2012 की एक्टिविटी 3 और क्विज़ के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे। एक्टिविटी 3 में 10 क्वेश्चंस हैं, पहले हम उसको सॉल्व करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Whenever a child talks to you about sexual abuse, it's important that you talk to the alleged abuser for verification of information. So the right option is false. Next question. Sexual abuse can happen to any child across age, gender, caste, economic and social status. True. Next question. There is no fixed indicator behavior for identifying a potential sexual abuser. True. Next question. Sexual abuse usually takes place in dark, abandoned places. False. If during a sexual act the child is not screaming or resisting or pushing back or has given consent, it can be understood that the child is interested in that act. False. Next question. An adult giving a child things, gifts, attention and affection, money, sweets, toys, outings can be the beginning of a process of sexual abuse. True. Next question. If the child is not willing to report abuse, we cannot help. False. Children often make up stories about sexual abuse. False. Most sexual abuse is committed by someone who is stranger to the child. False. Children, especially girls who are outgoing, talkative, physically expressive, often attract sexual abuse. False. So we have solved all the 10 questions and we got the score 10 by 10. अब हम क्विज सॉल्व करेंगे. हाउ अ टीचर कैन स्पोर्ट टू अ चाइल्ड हु इज शेयरिंग अबाउट सेक्शुअल अब्यूज. Options are discussing the incident with others, scolding, warning the abuser, listen and talk to the child with empathy, blaming the child. So the right option is C, listen and talk to the child with empathy. Next question. Child sexual abuse happens to boys only, girls only, more with girls and less with boys, both boys and girls. So the right option is D, both boys and girls. Next question. If you come to know about any sexual offense with the child, then whom will you report? Options are parents, District Child Protection Unit, Childline 1098 Service, Police, SJPU. So the right option is Police, SJPU. Next question. Child sexual abuse should be reported in. Options are case family agrees to report, case the abuse is repetitive, all circumstances when we know about it, severe case of child sexual abuse. So the right option is all circumstances when we know about it. Next question. Child sexual abuse may happen because financial crisis, child is not being disciplined, confused with love and romantic relationship. The reasons cannot be predicted. So the right option is the reasons cannot be predicted. Next question. Who is a child? Any person who is below the age of 18 years. So the right option is D, below the age of 18 years. Next question. Right to survival includes toys, food, shelter, clothing, recreational activities, picnic with parents. So the right option is food, shelter and clothing. Next question. Which is the special law act to punish child sexual abuse offender? Juvenile Justice, Indian Penal Code 1860, Right to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009, POSCO Act 2012. So the right option is D, POSCO Act 2012. Next question. When the act becomes an aggravated offence. Options are when offence committed by woman, when offence is committed once, committed by person in position of trust or authority, when it's committed taking advantage of child's financial condition. So the right option is C, committed by a person in position of trust or authority. Showing nude images to a child comes under. Options are physical abuse, emotional abuse, sexual abuse, neglect. So the right option is sexual abuse. So we have solved all the 10 questions. Now we will submit and you will got 10 by 10 score. Okay, thank you teachers. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे.